Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all.
Morning guys, we're at Combe. Leo's first track day.
Yeah.
Are you feeling excited now?
Excited, mate.
Yeah, so we're going to get him out, see what his baseline is, and then we're going to go out with him and see if we can get make any improvements in that lap time, basically. So let's get on with it. First things first, driver's briefing, then go for your noise testing, then out on track. But before you get out on track, you want to get the basics right. So you want to be checking your engine oil, tyre pressures, brake fluid, coolant, bring some spare engine oil with you, tyre pressure gauge, and you will want to be running a race orientated pad, semi-slick tyres if it's dry, hopefully, but stick around to the end guys when you get to see a 126.3 on board on my Twingo RS out on track. So first time out on track with Leo, he's driving his Twingo RS basically. I'm only sat beside him because I'm his stepdad. I want to show him the line, show him where to brake, where to turn in, when to get back on the throttle. But if I'm honest guys, as you can mostly see, he's got natural talent. If anything, I just had to slow him down a bit, teach him how to come on and off the brake pedal smoother. But yeah, it's absolutely flying. I mean, look at the speed through here. So yeah, he's on it straight away. Great to see, really enjoyed it. And yeah, just hopefully can get a bit more time out of him today. So I'm just showing him where to position the car, basically where he wants to be on the circuit, where to brake, you know, like just the basics really. I did take him out in the car previous to this. Obviously, it's his first time right now, so he would have watched what I was doing. Basically, all I wanted to do was get the tyres up to temp, so we'd go back in, bleed him down to the hot temps that we want them, hot pressures basically we want them to be at, and it would just make his day a bit easier in the car. Yeah, you'll notice that when you're doing the track days. They've done really well, man. Really fucking well, bro. First time out on track. Well done, bro. Right, we're back in now. Leo's naturally quick. He managed to 134. We're now going to use Simon as a pace car, basically, and follow him round. And let's see how he gets on. I mean, Simon's a 1.6 Fiesta Z-Tech, Twingo's a 1.6, similar cars, let's see how they go. So it's quite busy out on track today. Lots of quick cars. So actually getting a few clean laps where we can follow Simon is proving to be quite difficult. Look at that Lambo Hurricane. That was flying out there. Surprised I looked at the GT2, is it, or GT3? I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you know what that was. That's a Porsche anyway. But yeah, well, let's see how it goes anyway. It's also mega important to be respectful of the circuit's rules when it comes to being overtaken and overtaken on these track days, because there's lots of different levels of experience out there, lots of different quicker cars, slower cars. So it's definitely a good idea to always be checking your mirrors. If someone's caught you, move out of the way. It's simple as that. They're obviously quicker than you. Do yourself a favour, try to follow them. You might actually get a bit quicker as well. And it just everyone makes everyone's day easier, everyone's life easier out on track as well. As you can see, Leo's doing a great job of keeping up with Simon. Even though there is cars in between us most of the time, we do manage to get some, well, sort of clean laps, but not really. I mean, you can clearly see that he's not getting the clean laps because the corner speed through here, even on his first lap of the day, was like close to 70 mile an hour, and it's only 60 going through there now. So, you know, it's difficult. We're thinking, is there any point staying out here like this? But we keep on bashing through the laps. And yeah, every lap's an extra time on the track, and you just get to improving, get to see where you're can improve basically. I mean, you can hear it there, the frustration in Leo's voice. I've started to come up with a plan. Let's get him chasing me down. I'll drive for the Fiesta, Leo in the Twingo. Let's see if that makes a difference.
Try and get past him on the way into town.
Back in the pits again. Didn't really get a clean session there. There was, as you can see, there was lots of cars overtaking Leo on the track. So trying to fight on Simon was a bit tricky. We've decided to go out following me in Simon's Fiesta. So people run out of town today, not Simon though, or Leo. Look at this. There's the M40 boys. And that guy's been sent home. Driving standards. But yeah, Simon's going to let me have a go out in the Fiesta this time, so we'll see how that goes. Should be good fun. Right, so this is Leo following us behind in this Twingo. I'm in the Fiesta with Simon. Simon's changed the setup on his Fiesta. He used to run 17-inch wheels. Today is the first time he's run the 15s, and he's got down from a 135 down to 130 when he was out with his son Kyron earlier. So I don't think I'm going to get near that lap time, but give it a go anyway. Why not? Let's see how we get on. But Leo, so basically Leo's I want Leo to follow me, and if you watch the lap times, I do make a mistake on this lap. We'll see it later in the video. But basically this is Leo's quickest lap of the day when he's trying to catch me. So it's well worth it. Great day had by all. Can't wait for the next one. We're going to be at JDM Combe. I'll be taking the Mazda 5 minibus. Anyone wants to come and say hello, just come by. There'll be a few track sessions booked. Also, because you're not allowed to take the Twingo on the JDM day, I won't be bringing the Twingo out. There we go, get a black flag for that, basically. Bit of a rookie move really, but it just didn't slow the car down enough. We rolled into there, but just not carrying enough speed. I could make all the excuses in the world, it's my fault. But yeah, this is Leo's hot lap now, basically, when he follows me. The reason why you're not getting a full in-car video from the Twingo perspective is because Leo is playing music, and you know, YouTube, you're not allowed to have music playing, otherwise you could get a copyright strike, and I wouldn't have been able to upload the video. So sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so the next time the Twingo will be out on track, it will be Thruxton, 11th of June. Again, anyone wants to come down, it's a javelin day, and say hello, or come out and circuit with us. I mean, you'll be more than welcome. I look forward to it. But yeah, enjoy Leo's, well, kind of hot lap if you like, but certainly the fastest lap of the day for Leo. I'd also like to add he was a full second quicker than me on this lap, so well done, Leo. I mean, you can see I'm fully on it, and he's just catching me, man. It's brilliant to watch, but yeah, it's funny, man. It's great to see, man. It's such a good day. So, question for you all: what's your first track day car? And there it is, Leo over the line, 131.4. I done a 132.4. He beat me, mate. Well done, Leo. As promised, guys, there's a full on-board lap, 126.3 Castle. Enjoy.